Hello everyone. In this project we will learn how to add video transition to in video footage in Adobe Premiere Pro Creative Cloud. So let's take a look how to add video transition to video footage in Adobe Premiere Pro Creative Cloud. Here is some video clips in our project timeline, and let me play these video clips. Here is the video clips, and here is another video clips, and here is a different video clips. It's a clip of drone camera, and this is the last one. Okay, so let's take a look. This is the first video clip, and this is our second video clip. This is the photography video clip, and when this first video clip is ending and starting the second photography video clip, there is nothing happening between these two video clips. So let me show you. Here is the first one is running, and it's the second one just started, but there is nothing happening in between two video clips. So now we will add video transitions to these clips, and let's take a look how to look like after adding video transitions in between these clips. To add video transitions, you have to select this effect option, and under effect tab you will get video transitions option in there. So let me select this video transitions option. I'm selecting from here, and there are different type of transitions options are available, and I want to add some wipe transitions for our first clip, and here is different type of video transitions are available in here, and let me select, and I want to add this paint splatter wipe video transition to our first clip. I'm selecting from here, and then I want to add this slide transitions. I want to add this central split to our second clip, and let me add some Irish transition. I want to add Irish round to our last clip. So let's take a look how to look like after adding video transitions in our video footage in our project timeline. So let me play these video clips in here. I'm playing from this program monitor. You can take a look, and transitions are added in our video clips. So this is how you will add the video transitions in video clip. So let me take a look how to customize these transitions in here. This is our first video clip, and paint splatter transitions is added to our first video clip, and I want to customize this paint splatter transition in here. So let me play and let me show you the effect of paint splatter transition. I'm playing here. You just seen it's rapidly ending. Let me play it again. The transitions is ending so rapidly, and I want to increase the duration of this transition, and let's take a look how to increase and customize the transition in Adobe Premiere Pro Creative Cloud. To customize, we have to select the video clips, and you will get the options in effect control, and as we will customize our duration of our paint splatter video transition, we have to select this paint splatter video transition options from here. I'm selecting here, and this is the options for paint splatter. You can take a look. The duration is just only 1 second. That means the paint splatter video transition will be finished within 1 second, and we want to increase the duration. Let me take it to till 5 seconds. Here we go, and you can take a look. The transitions are now a little longer than before. So let me play after increasing the duration of paint splatter video transition. So the duration was just 1 second, and let's take a look our new duration of paint splatter transition to our first video clip. I'm playing from our program monitor. I'm playing from here, and here we go. Our paint splatter is showing for 5 seconds. So this is how you will increase the duration of a video transition in Adobe Premiere Pro Creative Cloud. Thank you.